Good morning, everybody. How are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe. Cambridge International School Daswa has taken the initiative for e-learning so that we can reach out to every child whose future really matters to us. Myself, Rita from Cambridge International School Daswa, today your political science teacher, and I am going to teach you chapter India's External Relation from paper 2. And topics I would be covering in it, only one topic, Bangladesh War. Yes, India's external relation. So before going to further topic, let me recall the previous one and let me recall the heading so that topics would be interlinked with each other and there will be you will be comfortable with the recent content. Now when India got independence in 1947, it was a very painful partition at that time, and the time was full of difficulties. So the main purpose and the main challenge in front of us was how we can make a good relation with another and with the with the neighboring countries as well. So earlier we have done India's relation with China, then India's relation with Pakistan, and now India's relation with Bangladesh. Actually the same topic, India's relation with the Pakistan, but here we will do 1971 Bangladesh War. I hope because in earlier video I told you definitely to discuss the same topic little bit few things with your parents or grandparents or great grandparents. They will tell you what happened in the 1965 war. Fine. So now we are learning and reading 1971 war, and 1971 war, Bangladesh war. Even your parents have seen this war, so they can tell you the trauma and the problem about this war, which goes for many days. So let's start Bangladesh war. 1970 first general election in Pakistan. Yes, there was a first general election in Pakistan, and Pakistan faced its biggest internal crisis. The country's first general election produced a split verdict. ऐसा judgment हुआ, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's party emerged a winner in West Pakistan, while the Awami League led by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman swept through East Pakistan. The Bengali population of East Pakistan had voted to, means this was the result, fine, voted to protest against years of being treated as second class citizen by the rulers based in West Pakistan. So this was a decision made after the result. So total seats were 300 and Pakistan People's Party 81, political party of West Pakistan leader Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Awami League 160 and political party of East Pakistan leader है Mujibur Rahman. Pakistan rulers were not ready to accept the democratic verdict. वो तैयार नहीं थे इस डिसीजन को लेने के लिए. Nor were they ready to accept the Awami League's demand for federation. ना वो उसके लिए तैयार थे. 1971 Pakistan Army arrested Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, unleashed a reign of terror in East Pakistan. The people of East Pakistan started a liberation struggle, because you can say in that time liberation struggle, and in response to this the people started a struggle to liberate Bangladesh from Pakistan. उनको भी बांग्लादेश को भी पाकिस्तान का रूल ओवर नहीं चाहिए था. So throughout 1971 you can further say more than 80 lakh migrated to India. भारत में आ गए, and India always extended moral and material support to the freedom struggle. हमने हमेशा से ही सबकी हेल्प की है और हमने बांग्लादेश की भी हेल्प की. पाकिस्तान अक्यूज इंडिया ऑफ अ कॉन्स्पिरेसी टू ब्रेक इट अप. पाकिस्तान ने हमें गलत ले लिया, कॉन्स्पिरेसी समझी. पाकिस्तान गॉट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम यूएसए एंड चाइना. इंडिया गॉट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम यूएसएसआर. हमें यूएसएसआर से सपोर्ट मिली एंड पाकिस्तान को यूएसए और चाइना से. And then you can say the US-China approachment that began in the late 1960s resulted in realignment of forces in Asia. Henry Kissinger, the advisor of US President Richard Nixon, made a secret visit to China via Pakistan in July 1971 की बात है. In order to counter the US-Pakistan-China axis, India signed a 20-year treaty of peace and friendship with the Soviet Union in August 1971. हमने तब 1971 में 20 साल के लिए एग्रीमेंट साइन कर लिया कि हम पीस और फ्रेंडशिप बनाएंगे. दिस ट्रीटी अश्योर्ड इंडिया ऑफ सोवियत सपोर्ट इफ द कंट्री फेस्ड एनी अटैक. अगर कंट्री पर कोई अटैक करता है तो सोवियत से हमें सपोर्ट मिलेगी. 1971 December, full-scale war started between India and Pakistan. Such a very difficult time. उस समय 1971 की लड़ाई में बहुत मुश्किल टाइम था. India got support from the people of East Pakistan. उन्होंने वेलकम किया हमारा. After months of diplomatic tension and military build-up, a full-scale war between India and Pakistan broke out in December 1971. Pakistani aircraft attacked Punjab and Rajasthan, while army moved on Jammu and Kashmir front. India retailed with an attack involving the Air Force, Navy and Army on both the western and eastern front. Welcomed and supported by the local population. Now, India Army made a rapid progress in East Pakistan. हम आगे बढ़ते गए. Within 10 days, 10 दिन ये लड़ाई चली and Indian Army surrounded Dhaka and about 90,000 Pakistan soldiers surrendered. उस समय 90,000 पाकिस्तानी people ने surrender कर दिया. With Bangladesh as a free country, India declared a unilateral ceasefire and later signing a Shimla agreement. जैसे उधर ताशकंद एग्रीमेंट हुआ था जब पाकिस्तान के साथ हमारी लड़ाई हुई, तो अब जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो और इंदिरा गांधी तब प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी. 3 जुलाई 1972 को फिर हम शिमला एग्रीमेंट हुआ बिटवीन इंदिरा गांधी एंड जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो. रिटर्न ऑफ पीस, ताकि अब हम पीस में हैं. नाउ रिजल्ट्स ऑफ बांग्लादेश वॉर का रिजल्ट कभी भी अच्छा नहीं होता. बट नेशनल जुबिलिएशन मीन्स हैप्पीनेस. अ डिसिसिव विक्ट्री इन अ वॉर लेड टू नेशनल जुबिलिएशन. मोस्ट पीपल इन इंडिया सॉ दिस एज अ मोमेंट ऑफ ग्लोरी एंड क्लियर साइन ऑफ इंडियाज ग्रोइंग मिलिट्री पावर. इसने बता दिया था कि मिलिट्री प्रोग्रेस हो रही है और इंडिया सबसे आगे है. पाकिस्तान हार गया था हमसे. नाउ फर्दर यू कैन से वन मोर थिंग कि इससे हमें ये पता चला था दैट आर न्यूक्लियर पावर एंड आर मिलिट्री पावर, आर नेवी पावर इज मच स्ट्रॉन्गर देन पाकिस्तान. एंड दैट टाइम इंदिरा गांधी वॉज प्राइम मिनिस्टर. सो पर्सनल पॉपुलैरिटी ऑफ इंदिरा गांधी इंक्रीज. कांग्रेस वन many state legislative election. And it was you can say as this the same thing we will read in next chapter. Indira Gandhi was the prime minister at this time and she had already won the Lok Sabha election in 1971. Her personal popularity soared further after 1971 and after the war, assembly election in most states took place, bringing large majority in the Congress party in many states. और काफ़ी ज़्यादा states में कांग्रेस पार्टी को मेजॉरिटी मिली. लेकिन वॉर का कभी भी इफेक्ट अच्छा नहीं होता. डीरेल्ड द 5-year प्लान एंड एट दैट टाइम हम तो नई आज़ादी मिली थी, हम तो नए प्लान्स बना रहे थे. 5 years प्लान है ना, यू रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू इन डेवलपमेंट एंड प्लान्ड पॉलिटिक्स चैप्टर में. इंडिया विद इट्स लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज हैड इनिशिएटेड डेवलपमेंट प्लानिंग. However, conflict with neighbors derailed the 5-year plan. The scarce resources were diverted to the defense sector, especially after 1962, as India had to embark on military modernization drive. The Department of Defense Production was established in November 1962, your 1 mark answer, and the Department of Defense Supplies in November 1965. Third 5-year plan 1961 से 1966 5 साल तक चली, was effected and it was followed by 3 annual plans. 3 और annual plans बने and 4th plan could be initiated only in 1969. India's defense expenditure increased too much after the war. खर्चे बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गए थे war के बाद. Though we won the war, but expenses were increased. So now this is the time to learn, revise and write. And you will write only 1 question with proper heading and elaborate answer. Presentation must be good. Briefly describe the Bangladesh War 1971. You can also take help from your textbook pages. In my next video, we will meet same chapter with the new content and new topic. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. Thank you.